In this video, let us solve the problems on surface areas and volumes from the model question paper 1. 4 problems are there from this chapter. This one has a 3 marks question which has internal choice. Okay, let us see which are the questions and solve it. The volume of cylinder is 300 meter cube. Then the volume of cone having the same radius and height as that of cylinder is. Actually very easy question. We already know the volume of cylinder is pi r square h, that is 300. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, means 300 by 3, that is 100. But I will visualize it. Height h, cone of height h having the same radius. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume, it is given that volume of cylinder is 300 meter cube. We already know volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Instead of pi r square h, we can put 300. 300 by 3, that is equal to 100. The 8th question is surface area of the sphere of radius 7 centimeter is. Very easy if we know the formula. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Let us substitute the values. Instead of pi, 22 by 7, r 7 into 7. 7 and 7 get cancels here. 4 into 22, 88. 88 into 7 is 616 centimeter square. 16th question. Write the formula to find the curved surface area of the frustum of cone as shown in the figure. Be careful here. You may feel happy that this is the answer. Pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Since it is 1 mark question, they won't give marks for this. If you write like this. They haven't given L. Instead, they have given H. L is actually this side. This one is L, represented by green line. L is equal to square root of R1 minus R2 the whole square plus H square. R1 is bigger, R2 is smaller. Be careful while writing. They may twist the question. So the surface area of frustum of cone is pi into R1 plus R2 into square root of R1 minus R2 the whole square plus H square. 33rd question, which has internal choice. The first one is this. A right circular metallic cone of height 20 centimeter and base radius 5 centimeter is melted and recast into a solid sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. 3 marks question. Here is cone, here is sphere. Height of the cone is given, that is h is equal to 20 centimeter. And also radius, that is 5 centimeter. Cone is melt and recast into sphere. We have to find the radius of the sphere. Let it be capital R. We already know the sphere formed after recasting this cone will have the same volume. So volume of cone is equal to volume of sphere. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Remember to write capital R here, small r here, since we should not get confused. We may be ready to cancel if we write the same letters here. Some differentiations should be there. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let us put the values. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5 square. Radius is 5. Height is 20. that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Instead of pi, we can write 22 by 7. We can also retain as such, since we can cancel this pi and this pi here only. Okay. It implies that 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5 square into 20 is equal to, let us see which can be cancelled here, 3 and 3, 22 by 7 and 22 by 7, 4 ones are 4, 20s are 4 5s are 20. Since both are in numerator, we can cancel. So r cube, this r cube is equal to 5 square into 5. So r cube is equal to 5 cube. So r is equal to cube root of 5 cube, that is equal to 5. So radius of the sphere r is 5 centimeter. A solid sphere of radius 3 centimeter is melted and reformed by stretching it into cylindrical shaped wire of length 9 meter. Find the radius of the wire. Which is the option of the previous problem, B option of the previous. Whichever is easy for you, you solve. Okay, they have given sphere and melted into and recast into a wire of 9 meter. What is given here? Sphere of radius r 3 centimeter. Length of the cylindrical wire after reformed 9 meter. We should not take it as 9 meter since this is in centimeter. So we have to convert it into 900 centimeter. To find radius of the wire, capital R, remember to write capital R. The wire formed after recasting the sphere will have the same volume. So volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the wire. Volume of the sphere we know 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the wire is nothing but volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Remember to write capital R here. Pi r square h means volume of cylinder. We will substitute the respective values. Instead of height, let us write 900, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Instead of r cube, 3 cube, since the radius of the sphere is 3 centimeter. So, which implies that pi r square into 900 is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 cube. Here we can cancel pi and pi. If you are enough intelligent, you could solve more and more things here only. But I will write r square into 900 is equal to 4 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 times. 3 and 3 can get cancelled here. 3 3s are 9. This 3 and this 3. 900s the 900. Both are in numerator, so we can solve it. For 1, it implies that r square is equal to 4 by 100. We can also cancel 4 and 100 here. 4 ones are 425s are. Nothing will happen if you write like this also. 4 ones are 425s are. So that is equal to 1 by 25. R square is equal to. So R is equal to square root of 1 by 25, that is equal to 1 by 5. That is equal to 0.2. 5 2s are 10. So the radius of the wire R is 0.2 centimeter. Hope you have understood it well. Thank you.